Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Norbert Bokuri, your Global Family Nutritionist. Today I want to talk to you about goat and sheep farming. These are my goats and my sheep. The sheep are 8, the goats are 15, but not all are inside. Some have already gone out. So this is where I house them, and here they are. Um, this is a multivitamin lick, the white one there hanging. That's what they lick it to get the vitamins and nutrients and other nutrients from it, while I also give it the other foods like the grass, the stalk. We have maize stalk, we have groundnut stalk, we have guinea corn stalk, we have bambara bean stalk, then we have the grasses. I use all these in feeding these goats. So this the billy goat. This one is a billy goat. These are other, and this one is also the round, the white one out there. So this is the pen. These are the stocks that are there for them to consume, and this where I put water for it to drink, for the goats and sheep to drink. So you don't have to do any expensive something. Just make good use of the materials around you. This is a pot. Even part of it is broken. A small pot. That's where I put the water for it to drink. So this is the place. This is a double deck. The pen is a double deck. I've decked it, and the goats are up. The goats are upstairs. As you can see, the goats are upstairs. So these are the the feeds. These are the grasses, and also guinea corn stalk over there. Then also have groundnut stalk over there that they feed on. So as I said, it's decked. This is how it is. This place is under. This another space. This another space. It's divided into about 6 apartments, and the goats and sheep are on top. The fowls too, and the guinea corn, the guinea fowls are also on top. I'll show you the whole thing in another video. I'll show you the entire structure in another video. So that's where I stock the goats. These are the guinea corn stock I've harvested to use in feeding the goats and the sheep. This is also the grass. The stock of grass are cut and saved for their feeding. This is also the maize and guinea corn stock. Maize and guinea corn stock. Pile them. I have a lot of it stock for the feeding of the goats and the sheep. The sheep usually I don't allow it out, but for the goats they normally go out and come back in the evening. So every evening I ensure they come in for me to close. This is also the granite stock, as well as the bambara bean stock. I pile all these in sacks. Some are in sacks, while some are packed as well. And this is all what I use in feeding them. Thank you. Start something in this 2025 and share with others. Follow me on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. God bless you.